Hello students, welcome Prakash Paranjpe classes. This is the second part of potentiometer and we discuss today the principle. हम लोग आज पोटेंशियोमीटर के सिद्धांत के बारे में विचार करने वाले हैं। यहाँ पर एक लकड़ी का बोर्ड रहता है जिसके ऊपर या तो लंबी वायर या 4 या 5 1-1 मीटर के वायर के टुकड़े मैग्नीन या टंगस्टन के कांस्टेंट के जो कि आपकी स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस जो रहता है उसकी कारण जो है उनको लिया जाता है। कॉपर वायर महंगे भी रहते हैं और स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस के भी प्रॉब्लम के कारण इनका यूज नहीं किया जाता। इन वायर्स को कॉपर स्ट्रिप्स के ऊपर यहाँ लगा दिया जाता है। यहाँ पर ए और बी बाइंडिंग स्क्रूज हैं जिससे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। जो भी आपके सर्किट्स बनाना है उसके लिए भी आप इसका यूज कर सकते हो। Here in this wooden board, a long wire or 4 pieces of 1 meter each wires are attached in this way on this board, and there is a copper strip. With the help of this, we can join these wires, and there is A and B is another, we can say, a binding screws. From A and B we apply the circuits in our potentiometer, as well as there is a meter scale is also attached with this board. Actually this board is represented as like this rather, and this is suppose our board, and in this board we can say that the whole arrangement is here, and in this board it is approximately, you can say, more than 1 meter length, and as well as a sliding contact of each part of your wire, and that's we can say the instrument is called jockey. And when we start our this principle or this working of this potentiometer, here remember there are two types of circuits. One circuit is your known source circuit. Lot of times we can say a principal circuit, and here this principal circuit we attach with a secondary cell, or we can represent it as E, or eliminator also now used today. And here this A is our ampere. Ampere is also attached with your rheostat. We can say this rheostat is also represented like this, and similarly this rheostat with for our safety of our circuit we can also use a key. Now this is a principal circuit, or we can say the known source. We know the EMF of the cell. Now in the secondary cell, from this point A, remember this point A is attached with the positive terminals of your cell and battery. This is our battery, or we can say this is our battery, means it's a primary cell, and with this battery attached with a galvanometer. There is also, for the safety, we can say a key also, and in this key may be 3-way key, but here I have used a simple key. When we use the application for the potentiometer, we can use this 3-way key. Here this galvanometer, and this galvanometer is related with her jockey. When the deflection, or we can say the potential between this first and second source of the circuit are equal, then there is no difference or no deflection in the galvanometer. Suppose this is your circuit, and in the circuit the potential is always be more than the potential of this, or EMF of the battery cell. Now after that we can also, which formula is used here? Consider A is a cross-sectional area of wire, and rho is the specific resistance of the wire, and V is the potential difference, or we can say both the primary cell or known source, primary circuit or your known source. So by Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, where R is the resistance. As we know by the definition of resistance, R is always directly proportional to L, and R is inversely proportional to A, and therefore we can say that R is equal to rho L upon A, and his R is equal to rho upon A is, and his I is represented as a constant K, and that constant K is a well-known potential gradient. This potential gradient is a very important term now. यहाँ पर A जो है हमारा क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया अनुप्रस्थ क्षेत्र का क्षेत्रफल है, रो हमारा स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस किसी वायर का है जो कि मैग्नेटो टंगस्टन का है, और साथ ही साथ में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो है हमारा कोई सोर्स नोन सोर्स का है. ओम्स लॉ से V इज इक्वल टू आई आर, सो I इज इक्वल टू रो L अपॉन A, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि R जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है लेंथ के वायर के, और साथ ही साथ में जो आपका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया रहता है उसके इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल या विक्रमानुपाती होता है. तो V इज इक्वल टू आई रो L अपॉन A, तो V इज इक्वल टू आई रो अपॉन A इंटू L. आई रो अपॉन A हम K के रूप में ले सकते हैं. तो ये जो K है आपका, ये K I rho upon A is called potential gradient. पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट का मतलब ये रहता है कि सबसे कम लंबाई के ऊपर जो भी आपका रहता है पोटेंशियल, उसको नापा जाता है. Where V is equal to KL, where K is the potential gradient, and this potential gradient is V upon L is equal to K. So the fall of potential gradient is the potential per unit length of wire is called a potential gradient, and we can also explain this potential gradient is also related with the sensitivity of the potentiometer. Next part, we can discuss about the sensitivity and potential gradient of the potentiometer, and as well as application of potentiometer. Okay then, good day.